Hello guys, so right now we are at 52 what lah? 52 workshop lah. Auto saloon lah. Auto saloon. Kalau gitu your friend Auto saloon. 52 auto shop. 52 auto shop, yeah. I'm visiting my car right here. This is my car. I think I spent about 2-3 days with this car, but yeah, so right now we are doing the wirings lah. As you can see, there's a few rust over there. You can see the rust there. And Kalang already do a little bit here of the wiring. This is the original engine harness lah. And this is the engine, it's not. This is the car harness. This is the engine harness lah. So, sudah pasang skang tu intake. That's the original throttle body. Next, I will have the hitam oh. So next pasang S90 K20 plug, and maybe cam also lah. Not sure yet. So guys, if you guys want to fix your car, you can come here. You can come here. You see? You can come here. Dance what? Dance.
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay lah. Not fast lah, this car not fast.
Yeah, not fast.
Yeah,
Very fast.
Yeah, this one for beli sayur ni. Beli sayur.
When you are in rush.
But rindu lah. I think I will strip off all the interior also. I kind of miss this car. My Sparko steering wheel there. This one is for sale. You got a dog here sleeping.
Net.
Say something, Ned. Say something to the viewers. I don't know what to say. Tired already.
Good. Satria.
I know you want Satria also. That's why you said that. True or not?
Who got Kang Tao? 5K Satria. Call me.
Can.
I cash ready for you.
Can. That day saya didn't buy the car.
But then from what I heard, people go and see a lot of work to be done. 5K Sinaman.
Okay lah.
A lot of work lah. If you count it back, you calculate it backwards. The car
Rugi lah.
Very rugi lah to do.
Okay lah.
As we do not, because if not mistaken, he's using 4G15 punya apa tu ECU. So it's not using 4G91. The engine is 4G91, but it's different ECU. So
need to change ECU lah. Like my car also lah. Have to change everything. Have to change the ECU. Have to change the cam. Have to change the coil. Have to change the tire. Have to change the rim.
That's what you get when you buy shitbox.
Yeah. I learn from you.
Shitbox for life.
What about you? Shitbox for life?
Okay lah.
Considered
Shitbox lah.
In
America, consider shitbox.
No lah. You know today someone commented on the E90 and Focus video.
Where YouTube?
No, on Facebook. He say Ford American muscle my ass. What do you have to say?
Memang lah, not American muscle that one.
Yeah lah, but
American muscle is V8.
But still, American muscle also lah. Small muscle lah.
American.
Yeah, American lah.
Maybe got a bit muscle.
A bit lah. Everyone got muscle ba? True or not?
True.
Even you got muscle
Baby
ba?
also got.
Yes. See? Everyone got muscle ba? So how's your car running now?
Okay.
Okay, not bad
After
lah.
I change my TCM, okay already.
Okay already, yeah. Good lah. So how was your kanjo last Friday?
Where did we go ah?
Damai eh?
Oh yeah kan. Okay lah. Didn't dive so fast because the floor a bit wet.
I don't trust you lah.
Yeah, really.
Don't talk to you lah. Hi YB.
Hi.
Hi. What's that sound? Two stroke.
Two-stroke.
RXZ ah? RXZ ah?
You swap, you need
Kacau.
cash.
You see this one idola, this one see the car. Yeah. Hi idola. Where's your Satria?
Satria at home.
Oh, what else do you have?
I only have my V.
Oh yeah, this one.
You check the
This one nice. Oh yeah, this one nice.
You see the rim?
This one nice. I saw he posted the picture earlier on. Very nice. See, I also want to do something like this. I want my V same color. I also have MG3 but same color. Wow, nice one. What rim is this?
This one ZE40.
ZE40. Almost like Koenig, huh?
Yeah.
Almost lah.
D2 caliper.
I give you like. I can use it.
Thank you. Very nice oh.
I give you like.
What adjustable?
Koniwa.
Konniwa.
Yes. Konnichiwa.
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 Yamete kudasai.
I give you like. Konnichiwa. Adi-san.
Konnichiwa. BJ.
BJ-san.
BJ kun.
BJ-kun.
Very nice. Smoke light. Tinted. Yeah, tinted lah. Tinted lah.
Yes, budget build.
Yeah, tinted. Enough already. Brock Motorsport ba?
Yes.
Brock Motorsport ba? Oh, I think my V will become like this also tomorrow. Tomorrow?
Can.
Oh, tomorrow. After that, let's go Master Wheel now. Let's go.
Let's go.
Go
there overnight first.
Let's go. We sleep in front of the shop. We sleep in front of the shop. Macam Apple store lah. Why not right?
Like them buying the Omega watch right?
Yes. Why not right?
Okay, rim. Okay.
Hey, dance not. Aaron don't have. Aaron.
This one is the pack. I was playing the form.
You want also, is it? Hey, where are we guys going after this?
I don't know. Go minum ah.
Where's Afiq?
Afiq.
In the car already.
Yeah, I think so.
I think he's sleepy.
Judge and Afiq in car.
What they doing?
Explicit. Oh, need to censor that.
Yeah, it's okay. So what's next for Fast Culture? Huh? What's
for this Satria.
Satria? That one very long lah.
Jack series.
Yes.
Yeah, the series.
5.
Season 5.
Season 5 na. Episode 5.
This one, of course, win lah. Don lah.
Happy only.
Don lah.
Okay, wait. 1.8 versus 1.8. This one VTEC.
That's what NA.
1NA versus turbo. See who can win.
My Vic versus VTEC.
Kan Ricky is my back.
Ricky is my back.
He 1.8 also.
Yeah,
This one
Ricky
also
1.8. Yeah.
Yeah, can try.
Can try lah.
You ready, Tune?
Yes.
Wow. Different beast this time around. Different beast confirm. Different already.
Girl got pop mah.
Oh. Malu, honor malu. Hey, you guys want to go to Art of Speed or not? In KL.
July.
Art of Speed, dia macam how to say? You know Art of Speed? No?
It's
I also don't know. It's like SEMA lah, like SEMA. You know SEMA? Yeah. No money. Yeah.
KWSP
Yeah. I also don't have KWSP. who have scheduled BSP, belanja sikit. Yeah, he's the one who said correct ah. Minta belanja dia lah. Thank you ah. Thank you boss. Thank you boss. Arigato.
Arigato, Victor-san.
Sama-sama.
Don't know how to reply back.
I don't know why is the welcome.
Yeah, I also don't know. I only know arigato only.
Sama-sama.
Let's go eat or minum.
Where?
I don't know.
We go to the
There, somewhere here. Very near, like, anywhere here.
Let's go somewhere.
Okay, we go at mall lah.
Huh?
At mall.
At Mall. At Mall. Wait, at Mall. Mall.
What are they doing?
I don't know.
Can we check? Can we see? See? After go inside the car, go inside the car again. Very weird, oh.
Change place.
It's very weird, oh.
That's like, maybe
See?
my view
You see? You see that guy wearing skirt?
Oh.
Oh no! Wait, what are you guys doing? Wait! Hey, yo! Oh shit! Oh shit! What are you guys doing? Apa di pola tak ada tu? Ha? Apa di pola tak ada tu? Oh. Achin sound system. Your sound system or his sound system?
Mine.
Yours ah.
iPod lah.
You got sound system ah?
My car also don't need radio.
Because race car.
Yeah.
Your car race car.
Engine. It's just too loud.
Mine stop.
Wait, my car very the sound very soft bah.
Stop shitbox.
That is not shitbox lah. My car is shitbox. Got rust.
Your car got the ball. Stop.
Got tai tikus.
Yeah, my car got tight cicak.
Okay lah boy, you close the video for me boy. I don't want to say anything anymore lah.
Don't think, just buy regulator. Fuck you.
Like, subscribe.
And share.
Yeah. See you guys, bye.